Hi everyone, welcome back. In this video, we are going to see about how to delete an entity in a MVC controller and view. Let's open same project which we used in our last session. For that, we can see the agenda of this video. In this video, we are going to add a new link to delete employee. And also, we are going to create one more action method to delete employees. And also, we are going to use ASP route tag helper to pass parameters to the delete method. Open the Visual Studio. This is the project which we saw in our last session. Here, I will run the application and explain you what we learned in last session. Yeah, here we are clicking employee management. We are displaying some list of employees. Then we are having create new employee option. Using this screen, we can create a new employee. Then against each employee, we have update button. While clicking the update button, it will display the existing employee records. We can change it and update the employee details. We learned these things, but in this video, we are going to introduce one more button called delete, and we are going to implement the delete functionality. Let's see how to do that. Open the Visual Studio and go to index.csv.html. Just copy the same TD and paste it here. Instead of update, we are going to provide the text as delete. Here we are going to create one more action method. We need to provide the action method name here. So first, let's create one action method, and we can come back here. Go to employee controller. Copy. The action result. Delete employee. First, we need to find out whether employee exists or not. For that, we can use where existing employee. We can use this method to find whether employee exists or not. If existing employee is null, then the employee not present. If it is not null, employee is there, then we can delete that employee and put the condition as if existing employee not equal to null, then only we are going to perform our operation. In our repository method, we already have one method to delete employee, so we can use the same employee repository dot delete employee experts employee ID as a parameter. So we can use this employee ID. Okay. After deleting the employee, we need to redirect to index page. We already know that. So now we need to use this action method here. That's it. Let's run the application. Click on employee management. Delete this record. Just name to age 55. Delete. Yes, it deleted. Error doesn't appear here. So, but here, user perspective, there is no display of messages. Employee deleted, employee added, employee updated, like that. So we are going to perform some message displaying using view data or view bar. Let's see how to do that. We already know that Here we are using viewback to display the button text. In the same way, we can use for delete employee. If it is deleted, we can say viewback dot message equal to employee deleted successfully. Then we can copy this feedback dot message, go to index.cshtml. Above create employee link, we can provide some message. Use some HTML tag like message, a paragraph, and we can put it as at. Let's run the application. For that, I will put breakpoint here. I want to explain. In this scenario, viewback will not work, so I want to explain that. Initially, viewback is null. Okay. We can put the breakpoint in delete method also. Now click on delete. Test name to 44. I'm going to delete this one. Yeah, breakpoint comes here. Put F10. Now what is in feedback.message? Yeah, we have some message. Apply deleted successfully. Continue. Now come here. Here is null. But in controller we have some text inside this viewback, but inside view it displays null. So viewback not works. Why it not works? Because in our previous method we used return view. Here also return view. Before that we set up viewback inside. So the same request we are setting the viewback value, and also in the same request we are redirecting to the same view. So it considers a same request. But in this method, this is one request. Delete employee call is one request. In that request, we are setting viewback.message. But after that, we are doing some redirect to action. So this current request ends and new request starts. Whenever current request ends, that viewback value and view data value also there. So in this case, we cannot use viewback. So we have another option provided by MVC architecture, that is mdata. We can use mdata. Let's see how to use it. Mdata. Viewback is a dynamic keyword we can use, but here we can use it as a key value pair like mdata. You know that how to use the key value pair in C#. You need to use like this. Here it is, copy. Okay, let's run the application. Click on employee management. Click on this test name 25. Delete. We are setting mdata. Yes. Here we got that message. Employee deleted successfully. The same way we can provide the message or add and update. That's it. In this add method, we can provide as employee added successfully. Here in update method, we can provide employee update. Okay, let's run the application. Click on employee management. Click on add, create new employee, add just 25 age. Yeah, it is this employee added successfully. Take the same employee and update it. Update. I am modifying 44 to 40C and update employee. Yes, here we are getting the message employee updated successfully. We are going to delete the same employee. Now employee deleted successfully. So now we learned in which case we cannot use viewback and in which case we can use temp data. Okay, but still application is not fully completed with the CRUD operation. I will tell one error, one bug. Then we can fix it in next session. Let's create new employee. Without providing anything, I am clicking create employee. It shows some error because column name insert file name is not null, but we are not providing the any name in the text box, so it shows the error. Customer perspective, this is not good up. So we need to handle this type of errors. So in our next session, we can see how to handle the validations in our data operation, add, edit, and delete. How to handle the validations, we can see it.